This is my favorite jacket too. In the back. That's great. I can't help it. All right, guys, welcome back inside the shop. You remember this guy? We got Orville with us. He got moved up here, kind of a crazy story for another day, but all the way from Western Montana, right?
Yep.
All the way up, and now he actually completely kept me in the dark. What do you want, a bed liner for an early 2000s F-150? It's free.
Gotta assemble it yourself.
So there it is, upside down in all its glory, on top of some tires. This is the 4.7 that we took out of the Sequoia. We're gonna still have to do a bunch of things. I need manifolds. I have an intake manifold, but we need exhaust manifolds. We're gonna need a new oil pan. We're gonna need a timing set, but these things are expensive, and I basically got it for free. So yeah, now it's back in storage, and you can see it is backwards. If any of you flat earthers need proof that gravity is real, take one of these V8s out of the back of a pickup without a cherry picker. You'll learn real quick that gravity is not very forgiving. Heat, heart, I knew that guy wasn't gonna take it out. I know that's a chromie, but this is where we are at right now. We snapped the end of the bit right off. I know it's not focusing, but we're probably gonna have to grind these heads off. This one's stripped out. On fire. He's This is my favorite jacket too. All right, guys, so we're gonna head over to the truck and show you where we're at with the flatbed project. We're making some pretty good progress, so let's go take a look at it. You can see all the wood we got on the ground. This is all recycled pallets. And then we got a couple of the cedar pieces from a siding delivery that we got. But you can see the goal was to make this flatbed completely for free. So this is all recycled pallet wood. We got these 4x4 posts and then some other random posts in there bolted down the frame. We were able to use some of the stock bed location holes, and then we had to drill a few more. I leg bolted these extensions on so that we had cutouts for the wheels. This part right here, I have to figure out because as of right now, there isn't a whole lot of support on either side. The rest of this will be pretty good. We got to figure out the gas tank, fuel neck right now, and I'm gonna set you guys up and time lapse this. Dang, these are really crusty. I don't know if you can see that. Look at how crusty those are. So I'm gonna hope these come out, but my thought is we're gonna have to take this out. We're gonna cut this right up about here where there's space, and then I'm gonna end up cutting the rubber hose too and just have it flush mounted in the floor. Fingers crossed that these guys actually come out of there. Good Lord. Van pliers for the win, maybe? Hopefully. Oh my God. Yeah, that is not coming off of there. Nope, we're cutting them off. That's one way to do it. Good Lord, look at what that hose is doing to my hand. Filter wrench, will you work? Too small, damn it. Or too big. Milwaukee. I'm thinking I can just turn this one around. Like, that's about perfect. This guy can kink, it's just a breather. But now that's not kinked. Perfect. So the first question we got to ask now is, am I proud of this? Absolutely. Should I be proud of this? Time will tell. That's about enough for today.
Snowing again. Well, this is how far we got for right now, you guys. I literally have the tail lights zip tied to the back, so I'm gonna obviously have to get some lights. I'm thinking I'm gonna put them down in the bumper here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But that is the flatbed so far. Stay tuned for part 2, you guys. We're not done yet. We're gonna add some tool storage and some sides. So look forward to seeing you then.